Namaste, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm giving a short review on the different baby products that I'm using for my kids. By the way, I'm a mother of 2 kids. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. I'd like to start with this Pure Virgin Coconut Oil, which I use for massaging my baby's body and I also apply to their hair. I usually purchase it from Amazon. It's a wonderful product. The only flaw I feel is like it has come in a plastic bottle. If it was a glass bottle, that's perfect altogether. So otherwise I don't have any other complaints with this. It's an excellent product. Do try it. And moving on to the next section, I'm using this Mama toothpaste for my elder one. I started only brushing her teeth after she has completed her 2 years. Until then, I haven't brushed her teeth. I don't think we need to brush because the ideal age I feel is 2 years. They have to finish 2 years. So I started with this and I stick to this. I did not try any other brand. So this is perfect for me. And moving on to the next thing. This is the soap I'm using, Sebamed. You can see it's explicitly mentioned the pH value, protein of hydrogen, which is 5.5, which is absolutely perfect for a healthy skin. If this is more, if pH value is more, you know what happens, the skin results with irritability or rashes, something like that. So I think no other soap will explicitly mention its pH value. You can also make the difference, like there will be no much foam, the smell is not more vigorous, it's very mild smell, very nice product. So that's about cleansing bar. Moving on to the shampoo, I'm again going for the same Sebamed shampoo. It is perfect, absolutely perfect. I can see the difference clearly with my elder daughter because my elder daughter's hair is not really thick, it is very light hair she has, and also this hair healthy. It's not very healthy earlier. After using this, her hair got started to shine and I can really feel the difference. So please do try it. It's an excellent product. So that's about shampoo that I'm using. Moving on to the after bathing section, I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer. This I've used for my elder one and I'm also using the same for my younger one. I don't have a single complaint. Absolutely wonderful product. So give it a try. Next, I'm using the Sebamed baby powder, which is suitable for delicate skin. The warning clearly says that keep powder away from children's nose and mouth. Inhalation can cause breathing problems. Avoid eye contact. The purpose why we use powder is because babies have folds under neck, thighs, everywhere. After bath, what happens? Little wetness remains in the folds. So to absorb that wetness, we usually use powder. The whole story now is a different thing. So this Sebamed baby powder is mild chemicals has got. So that's the reason why I'm using this. So please give it a try. Moving on to the next section, this is the one I wanted to show you. This is the Mimi liquid cleanser to clean your baby water bottles, milk bottles, toys and all the fruits that they chew or suck and all that, anything they put in their mouth and all. No, you can absolutely use this product to clean those, and these are very mild. I've tried various other products but I did not like those, so I've ended up with Mimi. Next, I'd like to show this detergent, Mimi mild laundry detergent for washing kids clothes. I'm using this. This is absolutely wonderful product. In general, the detergents that we use for our clothes, they have a lot of chemicals which is not recommended for kids clothes. So always prefer some detergents which are meant for kids. These are mild chemicals. Next, I'd like to show this magical product, which is a formula, Similac Advance. Similac Advance is the best formula so far because I've got no single complaint. I've used for my elder daughter and I'm also using for my younger one. It has got 3 versions, 1, 2, 3. Before 6 months, we use from 0 to 6 months we use 1. 6 months till 1 year we use 2, and after 1 year we use 3. I'm still using this product for my elder one. So it is absolutely the best. Do give it a try. And remember one point, whenever you are shifting from one formula to other formula, do keep an eye on the kid because kids cannot accommodate a new thing, any new change to their body they cannot accommodate. So anything we are trying, any different product that we are trying, we should test on them, have an eye on them. Any changes in their body like vomitings or a fever or anything, please do take care of such things. So that's about Similac. It does. Next, regarding the bottle that I'm using this Philips 7 glass bottle. This is a little heavy bottle. In general, plastic is not recommended, though they say it's a BPA free or whatever nonsense and all. I don't trust them. So always use glass for your baby. So I'm using Philips 7, which is absolutely perfect, and except we should be very careful while handling it. It's very hard. It doesn't break if it falls from a little heights. So it's very strong enough, but you should be very careful while using it. So that's about a formula bottle. And moving on to the next thing, this is the indigenous honey that I'm using. This I usually purchase it from Amazon, because they usually say that daily in the morning give your kid with start your kids with 1 spoon of honey. I've tried lots of honeys. I did not like any of the brands, so I've ended up with this, which is excellent. So please give it a try. If you wish to, I'd like to put this links of Amazon in description box. And finally, this is the one I'm using, the diaper section, Mami Poco Pants. They are wonderful. They do magic. I've tried various other brands. I have faced a lot of problems and nightmares, but this one, Mami Poco Pants, are the excellent ones. So next, these are Himalaya wipes I use for my younger daughter. I have also used the same product for my elder one. I have no complaints about it. Finally, I'd like to conclude that I'm not here to promote any brand or something. These are absolutely the products that I've ended up using to my kids. If you wish to, you can also give it a try. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.